Hello everybody! Welcome back to Artburst Sillies! My name is Chiara and today we are going to be doing lots and lots of fun things. So I'm really very excited. But the first thing we always like to do at Artburst Sillies is singing hello to everyone who has joined us. So I will teach you the signs for our hello song, okay? So let me remind you. We start off by a big hello hand sign. Hello, like this, from one side to the other. And then we go everybody or everyone like this, going around, yeah, everyone. And then we go, how are you? How are you? Like this, against our chest, like this. How are you? And we sing, hello, everyone. How are you? 3 times, okay? And then we say, it's good to be here at Artburst. And we can do a big burst for burst. And we can say, sillies afterwards. And you can do your own silly face, okay? So shall we sing it together? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? It's good to be here at Artburst Sillies. Very good, fantastic. Thank you so much for singing with me. Now, because this is Artburst Sillies, I think we should sing the song again. But this time, instead of sing it normally, we are going to pretend to be flapping our wings like this. Flap, 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 flap. Pretending to be a bird. Because today's story is going to be about a very special type of bird that I'm going to tell you about in just a second, okay? So let's get out our magic wiggly fingers and we're going to sing the same song, but we're going to go flapping our wings. Are you ready? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Flap, 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 flap. 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 Very good. Flap, 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 flap. Fantastic. That was very beautiful. Silly singing. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Okay, so this specific type of bird that we're going to be reading about in our story today is a nocturnal animal, and it looks a bit like this with 2 really big eyes, and they shine at night time, and it is our lovely owl, because today's book is called There's an Owl in My Towel. Now I'm going to tell you all about this book in just a moment, but first I also need to show you I've got a fantastic towel here with me, because by the end of this video we are going to do a magic trick with the towel. But first we need to read our story. So this lovely book is called There's an Owl in My Towel, and it is published by Macmillan. The illustrations are by Rebecca Cobb, and the book was written by Julia Donaldson. So I'm very happy we can read it because it's a very fun, fantastic book. But before we do that, we need to learn the actions for the story, don't we? Okay, so let me teach you the actions. So the first action we're going to do is an action that we already know about. It's an hello hand, like this. Hello. We're going to wave hello to someone. Hello. Very good. Very good. And the second action is a rabbit. The sign for rabbit. Like this. With our ears. Like this. The third one we're going to do, and we're going to do this one many times, is uh-oh, for something that's going to go a bit wrong and a bit silly. So we're going to say, uh-oh. And then we've got a bowl for our breakfast cereals. And for our porridge, a bowl of porridge, very good. And then we've got a lamb that goes, bah, like this, bah, a bit like a sheep, like a baby sheep, bah, like this, fantastic. And then we've got an owl, like I said, and this is a sign for owl with 2 big eyes, yeah? And then we've got flapping of wings, like we practice in the hello song. Flap, 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 flap. And then we've got bedtime. Very good. And last but not least, we've got a cuddle. So we can hug ourselves and go, give ourselves a cuddle like this. Okay, I think we are ready for this lovely book called There's an Owl in My Towel. Okay, shall we read it together? Hello, baby. Hello. Let's sit down. But there's a hair on my chair. Uh-oh. The hair is a bit like a rabbit. So let's put our arms up and go like this. Rabbit, there's a hair on my chair. Uh-oh. There it is. Hop away, hair. Back to your home. Bye. Time for breakfast, baby. But there's a mole in my bowl. There it is, a mole in my bowl. Oh no, uh-oh. Run away, mole, back to your hole. And there it is going, bye-bye. Let's go out, baby. But there's a lamb in my pram. Bah, bah. Uh-oh, there's a little lamb just here. Oh no, uh-oh. Skip away, lamb, back to your field. Back you go, bye-bye. Time for your bath, baby. But there's an owl in my towel. Uh-oh. Shall we go do-it-do? Very good. Fly away, owl, back to your tree. Can you flap your wings? Flap, 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 flap. Yeah, the owl is going. Bye-bye. It's bedtime, baby. But there's a Ted in my bed. There's a teddy bear. Oh, uh-oh. You can stay, Ted. Stay and have a cuddle. Very good. Let's give a big cuddle to ourselves. And a big round of applause because that was the end. The end of our lovely story. Whoa, thank you so much for such wonderful listening and joining in with the actions. I think it's time you get crafty and do some making with our lovely friend Libby. So I'm going to grab my towel for our magic trick that I promised you. And we're going to count to 3. And at the end of that, I think you're going to be going next to Libby. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.